ni nyina kwa kogina se gisi wakwa kopie mu ewo eye makola na afin so 2 years nso wakwa kofa ntetie ni mu ansana eye ene watumi aba ye lawyer nti se wo be kaya na congestion wo hopa be mu nipa dodo no ma apply ye be wie no na nipa ye be form so mo meko school no na afin o mo nye ntetie ni ntumi from as lawyers no mu 100,000 enti ahonsem ne ahonkomo be ye ho ama professor Kwaku Azamo epijaye sa time no so NDC for so eso sankomo yi emu and a lot of Ghana for enso na di o mano two sankomo yi mu but enra okopie mo parliamentar ne emra foforo Ade Aba e kire se sa schools ya me bo mo din kopie mo KNUST kopie mo Cape Coast se babia ya law piano via ya masafo yi akwenya ubetumi akọ school na wia fantete ni mu a uwia then we will call you to the bar na enye necessarily say chinchina twan awo se ukoko pie mu awo makola ansana watumi ababe lawyer enonti wo fa social media asahodo na akwakoye good news e dey ama womo a esi omani so so womo pese o mebe ya lawyer for womo a obo die so so pese o mebe ya lawyer for no nkomode ne anigisem e de emomo and mama fa akwenya yiso na fe memfa congratulations kese enko emfa ma former member of parliament e de Madoma East Paul Chumberima and the Paul Chumberima will be called to the bar. Paul Chumberima will be called to the bar. Bra, maybe I will be an pay. Mama, more congratulations, Nafi. Mensra say, to the Amponyanko Pombema, the wisdom, the knowledge, the understanding now, what the decide Jumaine will call for 3 hours. Sakain. What to me the Adim Kunim Ewo Emo and the Paul Chumberima and a Dasono, former member of parliament at the Doma East, and no G bra. Maybe I will be a sana me fro, she be a near bon common phone swap. Sana me fro, and when you called, you were surprised I got to know, say, and then you will be called to the banan carpet or the family call we in the secret. But Paul, Mate, pa, yeah, you didn't come work a congratulations, Paul. Men pie board him at this radio and said, you would see when you soon tia, O Baba ye lawyer, Chilian Poyankopon, and Mo Emu Ding. Oma emu yakudro honhom oma emu ntiase oma emu de esefata bia no na afi nso watch media baba yes adwuma di Paul Chumberima congratulations now let's move to sa reparation talks ya enra nano ekoba say former president Anadanko Akufo-Addo ehya di ho nkomo na enano nso His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nso ekotoa so ewo UN Assembly and voted by 1 2 3 in favor 3 against na 3 against no Argentina, USA, Israel. To me, you know, Argentina the end there unsurprising me in the sense Argentina for say can we say omo ye racist pa omo racism yo mo depa yo mo omu before baako say mfa before enya hwe eti me yakoba asano me anya me nwanwa na Israel for ne USA for no which USA for na America so omo the biggest beneficiary of slave trade ne slavery no omo de ko emu no woman na the biggest beneficiary of that but today they voted against it. So to me too it's not surprising because they cannot recount and measure the kind of atrocities and yemahunu ne yemafo an wode timemufo ne ya before edifemu and no kwasem ne say over 12 million a year before yedi omokopie hono wo de omo build sa wo mukuro no and sa absentia for na name say 23 and over econo bo mu nyina so ye Europe for na the other one say these countries nso move vote to against nothing so woman abstain your from voting for either yes or no countries are woman benefit kesiye pa Ghana for your colonial masters in Hamo. The Vega say Britain, British for Portugal for her. The Omodia man for FM, Spain for Nassau for all of these countries and a benefiting Kasiapa. So the big question they say, Argentina one more money benefited from this transatlantic slavery trade now course so guaranteed na mono. For you vote against. And another question again, maybe say, after this passage, not this recognition, say a grievous crime to ever happen to humanity, to Africans, to the black people, no. What next? I didn't be able to see any swa ya pesi I didn't be able to see any swa. Ayana muntua fei. Yadiba recognition and yadiba sending message to these enkrofo say. To say the idea. To say the to say we are not slaves to them in any way. Not in any single way. Because it looks as if we are still being controlled. The resources we have, it is still being controlled one way or the other by these colonial masters. We don't have absolute control over our resources. I'm saying we don't have absolute control on our resources because you're producing resources in now you're exporting it near time now run near the cup. And I produce these resources in now. I'm offering a chile a bois woman better. Woman a chile a bois woman better. Yang ya wadie. And I wo usu weni jeho. But wona weni eje sa ade no ho no. Wo ba beto ade no de afiri me ho a. Obese wo kire me sika eno na ade beto sa ade. Minim se to asumu ade se ye mame mo awo dwomi. Na wasese wo neoma a wo ton. Ene ye mo amudi dwai. Wo akofa wo neoma a wo ton. Na nipa na oba beto ade no e be gina wani mu a. Na o kire wo se ade na wo ton no sei na meto no. Forgetting kwan a wo fa so nya ade no. Bra wo fa mu, amane a wo fa mu, ansa na ade no ba be yesede esitie. And again, we don't add value to our raw materials na you produce wo ye memu hanti no. We don't have control over it. It is on the time no more de kwa. No more process it, no more turn it into other product. Now say one more face one more turn it into other product. No more such a boa one more beton ediamaye. So it looks as if we are still being controlled by these Western people. We are still being controlled by them. And they dictate to us what we should do, like how to do our things. There comes the question, say, where is our sovereignty? Where is our sovereignty? Because we've not prioritized our sovereignty as Africans, as Ghanaians. We've not prioritized our sovereignty. Na minim say your sovereignty na ya say nya yensa aka no say yentia say abibifo minim because sovereignty ti say me Kwame Agyarko meti wo yi na waba na wo ba be kire me ti say madwuma meti wo yi wo say ade kia yewe wa bra minim ne a wo say me ye na wo a wo tie me no wanya ntiase wo ho me nya ye sa na say wo control ma it being say say me ankasa me ne me ho minim de me ye. That's what it means. That's what it means. And to the extent say, yo, and nam say asresra ye yende. Na and nam say, sebi yo, yen trase enwini enhunu niema, nyame de ache ye no, said ye esi sombo fanti no. Ye kosere bibi di firi omo a, no mo kire yen sika no de ye mfa mame. No mo kire yen the quantity a omo pe e de afiri ye ho. Against musika no omode emaye emrofo no wo mo sha se ba ye kuro mo anu nasefo no na nhye da nye sa slave trade na ne se omo ba betam ye de akomu kuro de akwa ye no na dwadie as obi ba se there are some spices and niema bakum yenu bia na wo mo ba be fa de afiri ha nti wo mo ba ye na wo be hu say ye wo gold no and the next time wo mo ba no wo mo di ships ne na se for the ba ye e ba be sese aye o me sese gold no mo say hu say we have more than the gold, we have lot of resources wo krum ha wo metumi aba be sese na so wo mo be sese de a Omo hese de yesi wa ne nyini ne ye 10 grams at time no mnim so omo de by force ba be fa emfanti no afi wo mo ba no omo kuta weapons omo kuta tuo ne nasefo e de kan e na omo de aba be sesa sa ne mayi e de afi ho e na omo asan ye ne se ne se ye sesa na afi ye de akwakọ ye niema wo ye kurom ahodo ye man no so ahodo na we would need human labor ye be hie nipa wọ́n bẹ bọ́ àmì à build this ànìyàn náà yẹ bá bẹ sísá de free Africa ẹ de akọ no yẹ bẹ hiẹ nipa na ọmọ bá bẹ bọ́ ayẹ ni akọ build ẹnna ẹkọ fast ẹ nipa atotọ ni nyinaa ẹ de ba yẹ a ọmọ hyẹ ase tọ yẹ saa de free ha ẹ de kọ yẹ ẹkọkọ yẹ de ọmọ bẹ yẹ anẹ ọmọ ayẹ yie sẹ tam a ọmọ ade ọmọ ho anẹ still yẹ da so depend ọmọ ho nti this morning anọpa yẹ bẹ kàn say we have to have control ẹnìyẹn mmienu pẹ. And I'm person me catch you penny for near candy for say we have to have control over our resources. We have to have control over our resources. 2, we have to prioritize our sovereignty. Our sovereignty. Now, what's your prioritize? I was here more who say ye dear home, ye dear home. To want me match and dear yet. Ye dear home to want to me macadi open chray. Ye dear huntino, dear ye penny ye. And the raw materials, no, ya mammo quite mammo messes go tom. Now, and round so that me know a ding come up, say. After this preparation, I could you come out. What next? And Rami Shen come up, ya say. Minim say, why do you know, so about me, Timu be man or pay yam what ya say. As I said, your mobile on beto, we know before we not say, one must so Muhammad be good, no mukuta two, not your master say, no more the economy, ye dear, no ma, a hoodoo pino. Sana sa wo hwe ye good ne ye galam say yin so a asha se ba ochina bi. I'm not a prophet of doom, but I am foreseeing say ochina bi ye besa kwa fighting mrofo no say mo ba be say yin suo mo ba be say yin sase e na mo tutu ye good na se for, so you have to compensate us one way or the other. Why am I saying this? And names for nipa hodo a wo mo se o be chi o mo a me boss me kapo dom edi anim no wo sunyane sojani ya na odi anim nipa hodo a mo chi o mo nyina no, lot of them mrofo, lot of them foreigners, and because we are so tuned and turned se basika sem ya twina kwa ko sika so ntino, whatever distraction that follows sikana ye beje no ye mfa ho ena ekoso saa se sikana ye je no ne de omo ba be fa free o ana de omo ba be ye no atase ye ji sika no se ebekunye se ebe se ye mfa ho nti ye ne hwe chemicals a omo di wura ye nsase mu, chemicals a omo di wura ye nsuo mu, se anhwe ye a o chena bi ebesa be ba se ye nsase ni nyina se ye nsuo ni nyina se ya ye de blame besa akwakobo sa foreigners na sa western nkofo yi se wo na ba be se ye nsuo. It is time I was ye ma ya adwene ne ye adwuma na ye twen ya adwene si niema ba ko mienu bi so na ye pegya nkomo bi ne di nkomo no thoroughly ne ti ase se niema bi wo ho a ye mamrofo no kwan mo ye wo kurom ha e ha yen ese ye mind no. It is killing the future of your next generation. Because there's a China for you, my baby, ne one Google, Pakistan for Afghanistan for Google, no move to your gold, your body chemicals, to get gold in year. Essence as you know, which in so once as cinema, a aqua fields, it travels from here, na kwa kupimo or pancrono, na pimo and here, na kupimo swami, and namasasa, nasisa, and unti chemical no hanuma, a ben antisa, na kwa kupimo akra. So you think what ye ha and you think what a pancrono, do to go do no ha, and how ochina bi when the nsuo no enante was asena se we will begin to have a world information say yensu asay we cannot drink our waters. Yensase asay we cannot eat enduane a yensase ne e produce because chemicals are here and sasinimum. Let's think about this. Debi ame coming kase mining gold ninye eye, but we have to mine responsibly. We have to mine it in a way say esobe bamfa so de amaye. Eye enanka gold ya ye tutututu yi. Yene ya ma ye ho kwan na timemufo na etu ya resource o mo agina o nan so na wo mo agina ye wo sika nke be create job opportunities kan maburu ntu o mo hu nwam twu sa but because a human ni honti no oh so nya hu China ni se mema 20,000 me de ko ese adwuma we na hotwe wu ya mema o se oh fast obekọ kwan enam empa hoto obekọ o de America kura na obekọ akopi mo ho. So that's what we are doing to ourselves. We have to be mindful of what we are doing today. And I'm making say the success of tomorrow or the failures of tomorrow depends on the decisions of today. And then your decisions are taken, it will have consequences tomorrow. It will have effects tomorrow. Let's think about it deeply. Say the decisions we are taking today, what we are doing today, our actions, can we bear the consequences? Are we ready to be responsible for what happened? Because na nanu na ebetwa mu na ombese saye gold na sefo afi omo sesa yenkofo na ye na nanom no amfo mu ho njim ankochichi ye ne aye ho anton yen ansan jai ye gold ne ye resources no freely amfa more amfa anko because of simple tekut dama ye benyantia and can this conversation won't have any space say ye be discuss it. But we allowed it, just like we are allowing Galamsey say Kosune say Yensu say Yensasino. Ochina, we will raise this conversation. I'm sorry. And we are Africans because we like complaining, we like giving excuses, and we like giving blames. We will be shifting the blame. Say, oh, China for the best say Yensasino, Modiakoyo Bukuru ye, and they have to compensate us. Let's not get there. Now, Yanko Ashanti Fest program now air costume. Very beautiful idea, very laudable idea. Kevin, some more video now. AU ambassador, UN ambassador. Eddie painter who do babeche ye ochimu so besa babima san babecha dia. Yentie we are one NPP member. A friend no Coca. And yet the Obabepe regional chairman no. Or also be Kasai. If we are near the atoto honi a hard day. This country, yama politics a day. This a one dia far near Buya near Guso. Ye one dia far near the politics katakata. Ye one dia far politics in tea near Candians and Fatasiaka. Young Concotier donation by ye. Thou buy a beshe bose, painter canina no wafa hoka, and intino babuana, wato painting no amedia paintia. Na akwasi broni jina mensabon kumu isudie. Na mebusane say obaye no ye hu se paintisi yenim na ye pese yenko yendo asem musuko. You're welcome to Ashanti Prime TV.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so yesterday you were here and then you told us you will be back, and today you are here with paint.
Yes, please. As we promised yesterday, we are here to support, and whatever we need from us and what we can do, we are there for you. So today the paint, tomorrow also we'll find out what else we need and we'll do our best.
You will be here tomorrow with food?
Yes, and some petty things I discussed with about some chain and some metal they need. We are there to support.
Oh, okay, so apart from you bringing the paint, you'll be here tomorrow with food and some metals to support the project?
Yes, please.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And so who say near Mofrano school Quadano no efe a beautify Kumasi city no ama Kumasi city no so no like emu ye fe ba eti emu ye fe no ede nyam na ebre eye city no ede animonyam na ebre because obi anya to be bia no hu se de ya paint ade na be ye no fe ho am na paint ye wo mo ya ade wo enti se nipa no wo artwork bi wo ba bia no pese obi ye ma na research be sha se ho am na be ye school be na ye we then it would send them back to sa school no na the contract kase na ede ebro mo me pese me prepare na me de wa adwene ko bibi so mahu say post be say kwa ye kirim say NHIS for say a school for no mo ko penti sa na ma ni nyina no ye be register mo free national health insurance na yi dia mom eno so wo ho now ye nkonko tie ko kansem na o kan ye no me wi na ye di nkomo bi na fi ya to aso o din sem bi di tuja and when I listened to that the o kan ye na like I was like seriously Can you lower yourself to this extent? No akasansem we. Just because of politics. Just because of MPP NDC 70. Have you forgotten said yenti no oni yenti
MPP. Also the social media be go MPP. And also ye be. But you see, oh yeah there yen yi. Ade na o attribute wo ho say ye wo de an why they see ye. Who built that interchange? Onameka say President Mahama they see interchange into your painting or you're wrong. And moreover, students now who use woman ADS a yes painting. What is mom? Because really, obi school no yes a child labor and amebo. Who school no be found yes a child labor. Say child labor. 2. Diana Oma, what is the incentive? Are you using them to get glory? Enti yenshe issues ni ye na yenshe painting no mu ye no wa hwe ade ni nyina painting na ye ofe no ma na ye no venue ho no senia e ho nyina ate no senia
so you see till the all count forgetting say akoda no kura wa be painting say akoda ba ko e be gina ho na odro Kwame Nkrumah o chena se wotwamu a akora nan kasa ebe ka bibia kire no sa artwork na waye no 2 akoda nan kasa artwork na waye no ebie kwan dia man one way or the other because we be hu na ebisa say sa art you want a draw ye no pay the same thing wo baby a ye be kwa akohwe akoda no ne akodraw wakwa akodraw dia man wo baby e wo so akodraw. You see, sometimes we shouldn't be in a hurry to talk. They are called logically impotent. Logically impotent. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. And you say you an ambassador no the enkodane ye na anya ne fe. Enhye ni monyam enhye nkran ya anti nko beba so or the paint ne ne ma hodo eba. Nti said ye na eho sitie na ye wo fe dinka wo se Ghana esa akofa sika foforo se ye fa bia ye honom na airtime enunti ye twa sika se e de ato ho na ye de akwa ye sa paint na na asesen. I just don't get it. I don't get the rationale behind Sir Adi. And it is because young central phones, we are always in a haste to get news from these characters. The anyaba ya near the ababa news, the ababa story. We anisha Mommy and politics na ye no say it and time no. Mommy and yan fun to baby I won't name fast wo. We are boosting the spirit of this enkwada. We are boosting their spirit. And rofu ya omutumi backroom have visit when they come to see all of these artworks are one way or the other, it will encourage them. So when they need artworks, they should come to Ghana because they have Ghanaians, and our Ghanaians are here. Umbi to me artworks are F. 2, we are encouraging this and Kodase art now. Musia will school muna and never so obi in science. Obi enye yes, your course be school mua say ko school na se wunsia na se wonye no. Then we see it say wo de enye school na oko. This is a room to create a narration say the ewusia bia so won so na the ewusia bia betumi de adijuma. To me nka meka say sankoda ye omo ye adwuma say nka fe ye hyase na omai mu ye sisi adan na sefo school adan e wa Ashanti region yi kura na we should go to these kids, go and pick them near for munkoye painting to encourage them na fe yem pe bibimfa enhye omunsem yen tia omuka. It won't cost us that much again to paint sa school dan ne near hudo na yesisi no. You get it? Because the omo ye efe che woman na ye contract your mokrasi ye nkonko ye painting wo baby na school dying their hospitals na sefo ye de omo ko ye paint na omo ko ye paint bia 2-3 days na why you see ye man koda no hu se de omo ye de omo hwe wo school mo no efe enka even agriculture ni agribusiness ya ye practically enkoda no esua no na ye more practice we a form of practicing what they've learned in school a form of wo mo bo mu teacher for abaso say akyerɛkyerɛ for no ɛkyerɛ mo niema power school mu a form of elevating ya akyerɛkyerɛ for say the omo ye no ɛso ani nka kwan bɛn so na nkoda no en display emphasis display say we ni we na ye kyerɛ omo school mu. Enti wufi says akoda we ochina bi ode o maame nam no mudu o ka se mama me na me penti we anti o maame ani ndi ana nti enhye o maame nkran ana. You see, yeah, the politics is saying nioma and of course them say incoming regional chairman dema NPP hopeful Koka. I think that you have to talk to this man because na say bi o kan sem bi ana enye nti me ti Koka no na se nya ye mu bi ne e researcher nka me attribute to you say when I kika sansem no hyase ne woni ne nkasa because ni din no do KOKA and how dey na COKA but sa ni din no o ya de ase wa we otina bi wo kogina ballot nim obi kogina na okoto na ebia sa koka yi nsem yi na hi ne ehu say koka o na contest mi wa na nya wo but yete say koka pe o we ya to de tiam begin to talk to this man. Oya say wudi ni di na okuta no ne wodi ya ne yepe no oya de asay wo campaign no oya sa anwe de agu wugare mu o say no it's very bad, very very bad. The young minister is finding creative ways, innovative ways to make NDC appealing and popular in Ashanti region. Is that how to counter him? Have you forgotten say now NPP Bodino nemo stronghold in Ashanti region era? What are some of the things that mobe ya a innovative way, creative way a bema still Ashanti 4 pound mo pay NPP no because we pay. And no there was some shas here. And yes I kasa tan kasa basa you kasa ye so nimfa so nya no bio. Nya no. Now the youth now wamobano, they want to see themselves involved, and they are smart in the way say wouldn't need to anamono who say or you involved and answer who anamona oni wutu no mfaso e beba dia ma ono a ha onfa onye hwi anamon share no say mabunu no say wouldn't need to anamono who say who you so ne kitu bi obetwa wa ba obefe pen ba bia fa na. You have to find ways and means to deal with this Mbabuno. And if you want to counter the regional minister, this is not the way. Or you should not doing, or you should smart ways to make the NDC appealing, to make the NDC attractive, to make NDC popular. That's not the way to counter. And Semvata, and yet I have a lot to talk about, but I mean, Kwame Agyarko. Everybody know Kwame. Mache.
All right, yeah.
Kwame, be your fine dear.
I hope I don't now say.
Yeah, and I'm doing be your fine pa. So
good.
You look simple, but nice.
Yeah. And then I was in a hurry, and now and Ghana match.
Yes.
Them say Mashemi Ghana jersey, but the love I have for Real Madrid no, and I think that swap acquire Madrid for jersey.
Love na supersede Ghana there na.
Say I love Ghana before Real Madrid. But we there Real Madrid and I love Real Madrid. Now, team I'm a dopa Ebrekum Chelsea if you are about Real Madrid.
Oh, okay.
But Ghana there me mind.
I see.
I have no option. Madam Magasamin support me mind. I have no option. Baby, I'm media buying tea. Oh yeah, there I know do I do. And I love Ghana. I must be honest say me young for me pe Ghana. I don't regret say me a Ghanaian. Say nyamini me ti o man be Ghanaian. We might not get everything as we want, but nyamini di nti odo ba Ghana. Mamina Black Stars ni nyina I'm sure mu the very best. Kwasi ada be da ejina me da nwumre.
Yes.
Me da nwumre so be da ejina fiada. Enti say on pese e bring love ne back a. Omo nhyia ase ende. Na yenhu love no kwan a ye befa so e de love na ba. Ti esro mu nyina say love no the Ghanaians are waiting for action, not worse. You say action ne koswa. Natural. The love will come.
The love will come. Yes.
We can't force people say love the team, knowing very well say and the team is not performing. That day, we cannot love the country. But the moment we see say you are doing what is right, you don't need to say hey be proud. Obekache Ghanaian say you love your team. Naturally, we love our team. Yes, so say odon jinomu na emu ne. Enti omunye odon mfi omakuma mmra omunemu. We are relying on them. There have been so many things Ghanaians are going through currently, especially the current global, crisis and our hope and happiness. Bako pa ejina Ghana Black Stars. So need to and we can see. Tiesro mu say the love will come when they perform. They don't need to do campaign. They don't need to force anyone. They don't need to do any advertisement. It's good to advertise your team. It's good to brand the team. But we had in na performance name ya enko baby and share fans are na ye raisy and enko for investment o maye imu ayo mumu a kire say Ghanaians trust them and Ghanaians want the best for them. Yes, I don't think say there are Ibrahim Mahama in the company. Omunim di omusika beya omu say omu dash millions of dollars
$5 million
and the Black Stars and then other institutions so omu di omusika bebo. It tells you say Ghanaians want to be happy. Ghanaians believe in them and that they should give us the reason I was a backing Black Stars because the current squad a kai in the days of Stephen Appiah near Samuel Jamo send a sata be nya hope wo Odonwo and then Jordan and Semenyo Pate is still there. Me won say psychologically or back in kakra.
Yes.
And then I can see say kudos and other guys ni nyina Asare my man, the goalkeeper. Yeah. My man omu nyina
and Rawu skills be out this
yes. He's more than a player.
Yes.
The Onyeje goalkeeper is more than a goalkeeper. Eti Misromu, we are relying on them.
And that's a ultra better and Kabe expecting to say.
Made their predictions there was supposed to be but what I can say we are expecting them to give their best. They are expecting them to give their best. Now we are expecting them to do well. Now Yakache Barbara say on she share nyoma ye the nyoma kama e wo team nim and nyoma kama and to obi she Ghana Black Star tade na me hu sa de ma nyaje enti ene bo ma ba so pa yesro mu say omufa edimonyam ne nkodimdie no emre ye cheer the boys on. We are ready to cheer the boys on, but only if Omunkugui and Mercy. Yes, expecting much. To him, much is given, much is expected. And the Ghana of what he told boy, Mama Moa, expecting much from Mu Edamasi. Kwame, Mamimra and Sama Energy Ministry in the air camp said there's no shortage of gas. The EPS yet no. Ona maame awu na se wada anopo bia maame beba mukase aba benu aduane ye behwe de kombede ye behwe de ne maame de na duane ba be si table so ama no enti ye de ye funu animu ane mamen enti if they are saying say gas is in abundance ye de Nyankopon ase ye mpe story bia say mre bia buy on beka che say ministry ya beka che say te say fan go kra ni wa ye de be power ye turbines na kanya bedum within some few days omu stipulate ye but actually no mu beka asem foforo omu ba be hey omu be use semantics and technical jargons there be omu you njo omu you sa ministry na na dru ba bi ka say ECG for containers on tabanya A2 media John Jinapoko ministry makacho say dia machase enya confidence on mu but that time na ranking member our energy hono anytime obey minister for fraud na kasa ne doso ti da bia na me ka chen say hwa mawu mu ne omo maka no energy ministry nya kasa bebre ya agro ne form ti be ka chen John Jinapo say the way I respect and love him no ne kasa ne doso enum dwale doso onya investigation ye no de asema ba beto allow something na edi ehwamo and now I think say oteye o say ne o comporting ho na I love the JJ I'm seeing now and me pese enyoma bia baba be kekam ni asa ehun ni say still na adiote na anote wana catch us say ye kan asema omunti ya kan asema omunti pa recently His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kokofo ane catch us say Mahama what dey ye ka John Dramani Mahama what dey ye ka na ga say one thing and I'm more addressing public there no kind or kind emphatically in the or try so be mimic the gentleman the farmer Mahama what dey ye ka it tells you say asema ye beka bia omote that is the power of the media and you can never undermine it and I love the response I love the response
Hey, Kelvin.
What the heck, Mafia? Kelvin, I don't release. I don't pay. Kwame Agyarko de Okawati on the teacher. I love that. Kwame, na mesre. Say, and your mind, His Excellency Mahadi Aircam is the best, but Ghana baby, I no. We should be self-financing. You bet me a generate sika ato yen cocoa. Say ya yet me to cocoa now we decide what we want to do with the cocoa. But say off-takers no more pre-finance some of these things our destiny is in their hands. They decide what to do with the beans. But say ya sika near to me to cocoa. Near Jana market near silos near a baby at those days stand on so near what side and pa. That you see the cocoa and quack go. Now cocoa and say near the idea be go and no one talk. Near see a creative artificial you can say demander. You know be on talk. But now no yen session call for num. Eti obaso kakrebi meka. The decision that they want is the decision they are making for a whole sovereign country like Ghana.
Yes.
So it is a right decision in the right direction and the timing too is good. It is Excellency John Dramani Mahama. We any say ye kasa nkoa. Benim say wa ba bontia ba be kasa. There are plans far advance. Omodi nyoma atutu dwa atutu kwan mu a sika wo ba bia ye kwa akofa ba beto. If not ke hu nya kra so ba beka. But once our be mayen assurance no, our hope is in him. As the first gentleman of the land, no, yes, no, you should walk the talk because baby at this moment, that is what Ghana needs. The Ghana enya currently, say, ya kasa yebe tomato cocoa no. Now fei yetimi a refine no, yetimi a ye ho adwuma kakra san de akwa amanone. Because ye de kwa raw state no kra, e ma brofo no se nyansa bia ne yetim tie nim bia de cocoa ne be. Etu kodua no mkan kwa asem che odwompe no mpezo bi cocoa ne. And that is what is draining us as a nation. And maybe I'm catch us what I love. They say the current cocoa board have decided say with partners they will refine the gold from its raw state. They will process it and send a drew baby drew. And I love people who are genius and try to bring things up. Ebeboa mo man yetimi akoye. Ti me Sex Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Akuafo no se wo de omuka na ye den a esenkom. Wo de akuafo ka enem pepa ye. The only time asade we betima pepa say you restore the hope of the farmers. And these are some of the laid down things me hu ni se odeba ebeboa akuafo. Mempese afibia baba no abaji din ko. Because oji din dumso ana bo homodin a so be waki on dumso
and also abaji gamfunu
ana usa and crowd dey send the Ashanti region kwa no abaji gamfunu. But where the nationwide dumso bia ni say dumso type o ya google ya His Excellency din eba ana drew baby about miasuma odin incompetent Mahama mempese wo de ye kai ba be odin. So you have to restore the glory. You have to restore the glory. They say, oh, by oh, your nyama kama. Membese Mahama o de kai eba be taga se ukum. Na sanko nwa we be free uso a. Say the Bible mo baby or try say sanko nwa we be tima free uso a. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Sa Mahama de okay e yenko nwa et say de yenko nwa dumso be ye eta ukom no. Sa dumso oye wadwin say oh boa amna free ho no. Now you work so hard say ye benya baby ye be free sa dumso te bie sa so na Mahama wo de kai ba be nkonua se nkom na Bible de say o kentene wo ho a nkonua be free so sa nkonua o yire ho His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nkonua be free so enti wo wo de ye ka yan pharmacy de wo de ye ka His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, our hope is in you to pay the debt. And you see, he paid the debt he did not owe. I own a debt I could not pay. I needed someone to wash my sins away. Now, you are owing a debtor. Umpo wadeyeka. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Yampese webe yenkonuya. Ase utim. We believe in you. We trust you. Send me ma what ya bay. Ebe na fanso dia. Enye na hotel na you say we so hotel we so ko with Mahama what ye ka. Yes serew bu akuafo. Because akuafo are not happy. We understand. Me tenaka to say mentias ya. Let me hear politics out of it. And I will not do politics for anything. Yeah, you know what is happening. But sadness it's not like say yentimi nya hu bibi. Ye betima ya hu bibi. A classical example the other to just say we should be self finance. Yankasa yentimi resource yankasa yempesi kanto code so that we can decide that the off takers. And that is what we expect say going forward, you know. Yes, as if we baby see a syndicated loan. And also syndicated loan in wine. Then what do we do? You say off takers, mra. I don't say wine. Say baby, and I mean dear drone say yempesi kanto koko no. Yempesika ento koko no. Na akuafo hunto mu. Akuafo hunto mu a obenya asundwe, wasum bejo wabu omen. Na akuafo wanto mu a
onso honto
da.
Wasum nso.
And they make catch wasum so nyo da. Enti wo de ye ka. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Twawoka. Me da se mame fa koko ni ensi ho. Kwa me mame bra Ashanti region. Now before that, you know, mame nchia ya rofa, ya bra, ya damfu, ya bibia. Yera Paul, Honorable Paul Chumberima.
Oh yes.
Honorable Paul Chumberima, Kwame or a former member of parliament. Emma Doma East. In fact, Kwame Papa we fast free pa because now you to know hope in him was doing so well. Yeah, data analysis score MPs ni nyina constituencies no. And me make say nipa o ya de no, o ya de so aya ne beka. It was one of the gentlemen or chop box man kwada or mom provisions. Just a nema na oyen. By nyame nanim de say what ma ko wabe lawyer and say ba no e frɛ no very handsome gentleman na say tin ye tin nka che wa me yam na ba so na yen congratulate no we are proud of you Why are you not proud of your
oh yeah we are very proud of him.
You are proud of him.
He's energetic or sa niema ni nyina kyerɛ sɛ ampa in the vision no so.
Yeah.
Nyame nka no.
Okay. Enti Paul ye ma otim kwa enso honum. Na fei mensan emma ayifo nyina so amemmo maba so. Mekɔ bunu fo team do.
Yes.
No pem ka che ken se nko nya yi ne ma onan ka.
Yes.
Ye mo maba so Kwame. Me festival bia wo ya. You generate money and you use the money well.
Absolutely.
And you know omuko kate sword. Sword cutting mekɔ bunu.
Yes.
Omuko kate sword say no.
Maize processing
factory. Oh, Domasi.
Yeah. And that sends a message say and just for fanfare na ya program no.
Yes.
To develop and when you hear corporate bodies and also say o meye.
Exactly.
Nyani nyina na ya ban. Sa processing factories ni na se for nyani nyina na ya ban o. Yenko anso ye betumi ayeye. Nti mekobo no for ye no other institutions ahodo ni corporate bodies nso. Na omo nso omo de omo hwan den agim na omo nso aye. Nti mekobo no na kwa asem kwa me it is very good and the unity and diversity now Ade Ebano Kwame Efe. They say ama uko bono east. Ehifuni nyina kabum. Almost omo one. Doma hene ya tebu ehimfa hene.
Enti ya mo
maba so ma ya de pa.
Kwame na Ashanti first. Right? Any people am waste me time on ho. Sa crash na modern to so. Na pampam said you oyi kwan modern to so. Me I followed him. There may be I don't say this guy was once a journalist. Very intelligent at that time. Ndia na politics ye ni pebi. Enti asema kan se binyansa be pani.
Come.
Dansa be akofo akodi nsehunu sei.
Come.
Na me da me ka chemo. Otifo ko penti bi. Otifo ko pen na mo ko se ye de na. Na ya chimu ama mema boys na be guamo no.
Oti fonso de edi momo.
O de yo, se de makajo, maso mafofra manfa go ye painting so. Enkwada ko gina awiema ya ade ama baabi ho fin painting kura ye painti.
Ahoy efesi.
Arika je kura se sa branti we specifically akwa we nip for boss,
yes.
So o hwe na na waboa no.
Yes, what say art for no homo yes.
Erika J, a lawyer Erika J,
lawyer Erika J.
O so hwe no. Hwe ade efesi. Hwe ade efesi. Enti wa shopping so pa na ho fe yi Asante Bema kama say. What kind of madness are we experiencing in Ashanti region? And people don't want to say this. I just say hunu kura so no. Aram yakofa aso kwa na enya ofe. Yeduru wan ka se ho ye kama.
Ohwe ne fe.
Wan ka se aso kwa wa ye kama.
Yes.
Interchange na yakofa asia no. Baby aha we Ashanti unity.
Yes.
And look at Ade, we look at the concept.
And the Obiba shall Google about Ashanti unity.
Kwame, should we do anything with politics? Me Ashanti regional minister. Enye me anam tena na me fire na catch say agro na ya dos. Me who din say una e be catch no. But Ade we ya wa ye, it's not about Ashanti regional minister. Obi aye innovative di nyansa say ya ba. Wo ti be say enya party na ya no obi anim. What kind of rubbish is this? Hey, mummy yenhwe yo. Mama yenhwe yo. Enti ya man no mkoye we no me MPP ni ndisi.
It is all because Omo lose touch with grassroots.
What is this?
They've lost touch.
What is this?
Nti omo hu kwa omba faso. Adari omo ntase ntase.
The oba frem bonisa papa no. Bible say ondi.
Because you kind nyina kwa me no kwasem say nyansa bi anymore.
There is no iota of sense in whatever he said.
Logically impotent.
Why? Adena.
Why?
Adena yamfa ya adwen ya adwuma.
Yendia. Nka we obebo na baso na ye.
Akoto awiewem aya ade
kama wa see.
Omutam omunya o man fa nko show obi dem.
O man fa nko ye anko to tramo.
Owie ya we have to encourage them. Na jade akra na efe se. Obi tia obi so oye soloku. Obi ti kro maso oye soloku. Masa Ashanti region ya mudi o. Deni pa ba ku bi di o. Obi tia so oye soloku. Soloku no be soloku
okochi.
sɛ nhunu sɛ
ochi
obi aso oyɛ soloku
yes na obi say the mabuno or getting them involved in nation building.
Class from Godru be na me say go school.
In nation building.
Because you wo so fa so me ask class o ko yin say wa bo. Na sa mre we eba be jinja nkwada ni bia me hu say this is talent, this is what we call talent.
Yes.
Na what you say mo the ayako kikom national security for.
They should
cameras dey so on enya for toys, enya toys. It down on you somebody you mo pie. Let us see. And confirm kodi enyambra semsa. Enipa bi say o me mambofo. Ade we enya fe. Amo akohini dem na wo. Amo akohini ne dem ne akopenti on. Say Dr. Amo akohini ne dem ne akopenti.
Yakopenti NDC party office. Dia.
Obi tik promano nanum se hunu wo akopenti school dan NDC Colors. I know the man ko say no.
I know the man mabonti am
be condemn na shati region ya school dan akopenti NDC Colors.
Atweman wa bia so yes.
And se hunu say na kwada we mu dia penti na NDC. Ghana flag aye artwork. Do you know what it takes to do an art a masterpiece like this? Na mo to wan se hunu sa. Say, hey, why you guys crazy? Bibi ham on. Now I met my bomb say, Mama say, Marco Penti because a MPP. Massa, Munya say, Wuno,
Mate,
Diamako in Yano, a ye. So, Bibi now person in the car. Say, be a mamma and a mum penny, Mon can say, Mamma and you might be also than I do a nimba. Offer past president in your effort.
Oh, but to a paintium, one more paintium.
And I'm making so cast and confirm to us. And offer, wow, bless and your fair.
The fair. Now, and you know, Kwame.
Oh, President Mama be toilet man, the Abacoso. Or your Kwame Agyarko. What kind of nonsense is this?
And you see, I think that it will start to tell people. Any regional minister on say or hono kure fu e hwa ifi ti en sha se ne papa anka eno ne nkomo conversation e was o sha
mo kra me kra na se me be fire na ka say ade no mu duro wie no o mo mpra ho na mo wa ko penti me ade ma fire no ba ko say ade no kra ma se attention no kra ye be ye se ye be ye fo mo no ka me be fire na suma e was area ni bi suma e was area ka me fire no na mo ti wono na mo akwose sade na ma se attention
mame na se
ade ese hunu no ade ese hunu
ene fe
masa
Kwame me da se thank you very much ene fe oh the politics no aden ade be nko ade che bia na wose ye politics ana adechie bia na wase ye prayer ho ko ye bribi mi hu say ye belong to NPP ana NDC ana adechie bia na wase sebi o sebi de be pia free ya numu bia no wase ye kan na ye mu bi ye nkan ye ho ma me nkan okura na nchire mu ye mu bi ye nkan ye ho go to where we are coming from ye kan ye ho a you won't have a briefing space so we had the na efa ye be bo abaso we had the na to asumu a ye be ka but we ye na to asumu a we will let you know. I'm always calm like this, but when I begin to give it to you, you run away. So at least obi had the na efa na wunni hwe kakra mi awa no so wuntumi mo na abaso mi awa no keep quiet shut up shush tuna say pepe bitina sit down keep quiet. Obi aya de efese me ba cho ejuma buso ejuma ba I don't say wu tie me na wasua hairdressing ejuma wie apɔ ho ɔman no mu ɔden sikasɛm ayɛ den nti wunya sika mfa mie wa wo de ba do won sa no nnwuma untumi ntena fie independent on awofo so untumi ntena fie ma ebia abrante na wo de ne call out no enya hyehyɛ ngu so because uhia ayi bibi kitua bi kura sei kura na wo bisa no e ba cho so we hairdresser na age wo hudi so apɔ ho ye adwuma onsa na adwuma efa vacancy aba a professional hairdresser obetumi a braid hair obetumi a install frontal wigs ene dia keka wo be pa cho tutu america number fa number yi na free number yi 0536 070557 0536 070557 Kingdom garlic capsules and bitters there from Mr. One more and a feza one more the immune booster stress release, anxiety, arthritis, numbness. One day, who drew area abba. Or introduce garlic bitters, and a capsules area about the FS. Ndikopebi na no mama say the Kingdom Ginseng Power Capsules and so diaba for sexual weakness, waist pains, mental stress, and it produces sufficient physical energy at the mouth. Tremendous capsules and so monty and so wow. Tremendous capsules. Yeah, just a natural health formula for the treatment of vaginal infections, the menstrual disorder, and the bad odor biano. The bacho here so yeah. O kopiemo Kingdom Herbal Center Wakashi Drug Lane na obenya leading pharmaceuticals ne herbal shop bian so benya free 0597 298 855 and 0559 761 144. Kingdom and now see no challenger. Tago Herbal mixture ne capsules aba. Bema se wadi into me sorry into me mwejuma. Oh. Ebi de crown sorry you. Ebi so sorry ya na sada. Na nikum me bacho kopet tago heba mixture ne capsules enum say o low libido atinka no film ba na bema and infections be how tago heba mixture na be come for the amount from 0243 228 296 na yemo na be tunro bi na be tobi na ko drugstore ne pharmacy shop bia on sabe kabi na fin so what me age enro ne bi ede adi juma e wo honum express group na me come for the amount obeso kusia ade wa brichi obeso koye adwuma wo ho ope visa ana se die opese wo koto bi ko di holidays a express group ye na Ghana hanom ya gi atum ye na Ghana hanom ye die yenye bukata ye nsisi nipa nyini sika ya express group and it's the moment I was Sompa ye bohu dawru ye di ho dwuma se no na che se agi omotum se wo mo betumi aboa ama visa sem ni wa man on sem nyina nso no atumi account na asini na nso because we have done our background investigations about express group and sakra na ye getum aye wo ye LPM ye ni omo advert area momo me ba so mo kuma se asafo labor Accra Kaneshi First Light Tema Community 18 Lashibi Oil East Legon close to Trinity Theological Takra the Market Circle Sunyane Silver House Building na ben High Court Tamale ya ben Tamale Teaching Hospital and a bibiani so ya wo ya ben court on the frame was 0249 000 448 and 055 555 0067 055 555 nafi yeni enkomo ewo honum the bacho Roman father drew na ba abasa nso de ya drew papa and a make comfort e dia maw and a wunim nso say numbness, stroke, body pains, weakness, pressure and diabetes and chronic diseases be and a how bacho kope sa Roman father adru no ewo honum na entumi mwa na entu saya de ya mabebo so nyina ase emfa emma from 0247 919 122 and 0552 668517 namunim komo 21st clinic sciatica expert no sciatica expert to asena twen padua ne ya wo ya na wuntumi nante wakampam woda ho ni nyina ne se honam yaw ana titiw bra 21st clinic ya be scan ya be lab test na fi yahunu yare na how no se de esitie ya tumi abo watu ase ya de nya se ye sawo ye tu ase 21st ye tu yade na se sa sciatica yade na ye tu na se ye nkoye wo mu na obi un se ye ne ni o kira wo ho ato na mo obi un se na asan bada bi ye boa watu ase 21st clinic na ye bitumi abo na sciatica issues ni nyina no ya boa na fi yasa e de ama Kumasi ye wa hwe overseas ahoda Sompa TV Sompa FM abronsa no ye wo top 21st e wo down e wo no mo di djuma massage machines ahodo nyina so e wo honom oboase council quarters court junction ho ne e wo Accra Domain Market Sunyane Teaching Hospital opposite and Kranza Teaching Man Yibutu Hodum Frey was 0540311311 0540311311 0249311311 0249311311 Bebacho yesrew chenu so famaye ya bofra ayira babra boa enra wo frey ozo onfa enele ozi advance new babra boa abofra ayira hikima fuseni wayira wadi 21 years onye obi otumi kasa sa na ne kasa ne pie sa oye tuntum o pia free no na ye kwasiada the 22nd of March na no ya anwumre but o pie ye be pim samre ye hu no hikima na da so no ama swag kama but hikima pie ye no o ma fie ntonso aboabo na owo na o pie free a ye nya hu no yesere mo ye hwe na kira kwan hu na afa no police station bi e ben anampo frɛ number is 0242 553 543 0242 553 543 naftin so boy ni ehu abofrɛ RSY no VG Studios me ba cho se ope baby atwa photo ayo film making anampo wa creative obi a oye creative wo mfonyi twam ni film twam pe creative director na wa directing was ane man ho RSYD no VG Studios and also the one eche wa kra malama biase of First Kokroko Street the pacho frey was 0574715778 and 0303974822 but I saw enough yemwa nafi yemwa hu say RSY no VG Studios where your vision becomes reality nti channel so afama me baba jo mesremo me producer Barbara osi opeda nti mo anu ma me why mesremo ni favorite tu no ni favorite tu no nti Barbara say op single room self container or cropo any new swame kropo ni new swame eti mesremo mo anu ai di so wanya dan ni bi afre Barbara mami 0545 131744 0545 131744 na nensa entumi enka enche mabedwa for baby dia trans Dr. 24 from the side of the NDC Dr. 24 from the side of the NDC baby dia trans sanso and edian dodo na nim se de frɛ no eye sika wo bush eno ni edian dodo na nim se ye de efrɛ no ewo honom sika ewo bush by ni dian kasa de Asante Joseph ogopie mo bosomtwe a enche one ba be chairman opo ejuma gidigidi ewo honom eno nti enche umba bi dia transe na didi nkomo ewo honom o kai se enano me boso kakra de kire wo ewo Kwabri East eniema ekokoso ye inflate prices of eniema hodo omoye this year wo hom pacho team ya no pay mani the story na chi pa minyansa ni janu so now those of you who want to know how metumi asani jano maybe former programs manager Papa Clef mon friend na mbisanase he will tell you oh, me ba no tu me for ti majojo sa me de me tiny de me chine sa sika die sika tiny sika ye inflate prices adwuma wonyeye na wudi hu sika adwuma eye sika kuma bia wo se wo de koye no wa inflate prices na kosora mo amunim Kwabri is man pontin kwa yi so higher we mo kan kire me say di congestion be na akoso ho mo kan kire me di congestion na ekoso ho. And some of you want to ride on the shoulders of President John Dramani Mahama because oh yeah Jumantino sabe na mu di bone wase ho na wo monte contract ahodo a mo tonton a mudi bi for a regional chairman Augustine Nana Kwesi no me matini nyina o me wo info ni nyina me wo audios wo videos but I'm doing background checks detailing e de fa ho MC a wo ho hwe bibi ye the congestion now we inflated price no go almost 3 billion wabra na endru no me mate school feeding contract na nipa 10 no wa chairman nipa 10 school a bia population no 500 obe ne aye sa school feeding no kura matete say wo say one ma regional chairman slot bi one ma regional minister slot bi meanwhile entesa enye nokre. Why are you doing that? MC, I don't know, yes, sir. Why are you doing that? When you party for Cranston sign, you're fine. Sa diabo audios na se vo nyame wo. Mensa ka. Why ya manafofo party ma ama bikura ni wo challenge on niema se wo ya ye be bodua. Sa kwa abre ayi rose ahodo a wo so be yesika wo de ato ho nye sika kuma. We me boss keke ne de a kire say must be very careful on niema wo ye ho. Be very careful. Be very careful. Be very, very, very careful. Be Yankee Kaya, it is because ye hanga. Yankee Kaya, when a die back Kaya Hono. I want to who say, Sana Brandon no Nyaku, sir. Sikano Fire Juma. Saudi Ye Juma now Dibia fine effect. Onye she is woodiska. I didn't know person today. I didn't know person today. Me body answers more democratic voice of Kwabri East. Most answer were the scoreboard NDC. Me Baba who say group no me follow. I know what is happening there. Until party makura bowo chi said the owo ye nye jai. Oni chamai. Ode me ma wasem so. Me de te baby because ye nneoma de hye kakra but chairman ona party no si wo nan so wo constituency wo Kwabri East South fundraising amo ye na mo gigi sika ebi tua 2000 ebi tua 5000 ebi tua 20000 na mo ka kire mo say mo de be mo appointment mo de be mo project ha mo de aye nyina me wo sa receipt ni nyina wa ha ebre na nso ye bre na mmaye MCE, be very, very, very careful. Kwabri East MCE, be very, 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 very careful. Joseph Amankwa, MC Joseph Amankwa Kwabri East, be very careful. They are all yeti yenim. Uko PMO just why about Ashanti Regional Minister near Ashanti Regional Chairman the NDC. Yeah, Uko PMO just so. And Yamansu Kukoso. The host of MMDC is Nibi Edi Abro Edi Bonne de She and Kanka Regional Chairman. Womu Diabro Papa Yinso a Juma philanthropic worker all year said they would treat school fees a bobo man for a new Jumakitwa. Because me are digging about him. I've done a lot of investigation about Chairman Nanakwesi. Augustine Nanakwesi, Regional Chairman of the NDC. I've done a lot about him. So I know who I am talking about. I'm for dibonne de channel. To ya Casabete. Oh, and this how we no have phone, no afraid any pacro. Now, a chama was a school feed in Miobi. Debbie, we say a contractor who do a honor me Debbie, Adenamo, yes, sir. Kwabri East may have not descended on Kwabri East, though. We enter home. Joseph Amankwa, be very careful. Me what document documented that. Mo budget amu ye 2025 ni 2026 nyina edamanim. I have it before me. Me say na me majuma. Edamanim. Sa sika die tantan sika die basa no. Munyai. Me buy a MZ. My bad idea about you. I know who you are, and who you are today. I know you. Let's be very careful. Let's not take advantage of say ebia wa ba benya position binti eyesikadi die nyina ye dipi. Osom na wo se osom ti mu me ensom. Se wuntumi nsom akope ba bi tena de obetumi asom no onsom mu didi nso a mu san didi ja party ma de ya wo mu no wo mu didi o mu san didi ja party ma ti se de MPP mpanifo didi ja party ma manti party ma ye fed up nti wo man koto aba na wo man fi na wo man lusu poto ene se MPP ni panyi ehun ba sama you don't see the foot soldiers behind them. I just say nkete ne mako bi a wo mo de o mu nyai impact ɛwɔ party for so ɛna wobɛhu sɛ party makasa de mɔmɔ. Let's be very careful. Let's be very careful. A nation building and a nation capturing. A nation building. Wherever you find yourself, you have a duty to serve and build. Wherever you are elected, appointed to serve or to lead, you have a duty to serve and build. If you are elected, if you are appointed to lead, you have a duty called service and a duty called building. Serve and build. If you can't serve and you can't build, pay baby tna or pay baby da. Now, so what dare me a chama man so what dare me a me the party for mana. Party for mana. E bi bu afukura abone wo ntokwa ne saafo no me the omba betena Sompa ha one Friday so that they would narrate their own story. So what dare me I would do that. Mami fancy ho na fi na be for tenase na yenhye nkomo twetwe na se 50 past 8 Sompa TV Sompa FM yeah some Barbara Mami nyewimra Chama Martin
Josumira
Bibia fine dear Chama
Nyame no mpae bo
da twedi ampo nyankopon na se bosomchi nso design
bosomchi boko enti boni bia
party man so responded to or call no ne year where you no saying
almost so jo so fe je sabre a me metia e de bosomchi nyina kromu ni nyina obia de ato Sompa de o tie radio o tie the Ohwe TV so also so because Sompa de obia himself mosum ye nti de fra Sompa
no kwasem Jamai first of all I mean shas in because minim say Ashanti First regional minister shasia o mama for ye painting na me hu say o donation o donate coconut. Yeah, after that donation, no, the atama who do banners. Maybe no ho. Then they inform me when they encourage you say, "Quite a donation." Say, "Can you party na you?" And you regional minister.
Me da Sibinia. Edika mamencha bosontwefo. We say, "Omo adomuti na metia." Metia bosontwefo. Na machia MPP fu nyina o Ghana e nyina. Titu ye flag bearer era Dr. Mahmoud Baomia na Ashanti regional chama utu also machia minia asema o bisabi de kakra meka ni se mi hu ni se me offers memma ena omoye program no enti me fa ni se sebe ye Ghana month. And there's our Ghana month, at the same time, yes, celebrity Ashanti Fest. Yeah, yes, so yeah, dear Bema Ashanti, yes, so Yenima Benyam. It is a Yerama Kohine Asodaye. Say, Ampa overhead, Ira or Mampayin Kufordada or Chemu, I overhead. Come on, and I interchange. Na sabi ubakona abodam fo na daase na ya ye ho nwura ho nyina fu aye tantan na se papa ya so da ye pa se oh mami siesie ho a me hu se nka wo se de politics kra ba sa de we ho o se nya de bia na de politics ko ho amen ka se bincho ye to about 2024 me ko hwe abato so baabi me jawa na ndisi fo bi abado mo cheska ho many so omuche skaro omuche bi man pipi fo omuche man disi fo meni why me kwa kasa mamo nyi skaro
ne woni ho kwa ka
ene se gada na nka babo me hutuo
ne
yo obeto man disi wodi tim yo obeto man pipi wodi but skaro what this guys no ne ogibi
sure
What you say? And in America, say, BBC here, am I in funny in politics? Because all mine here, in idea.
Okay.
Ya jatum so say Ghana month. And I sabi asante man so ne nyina aka bom ne ya ade. Se bibi sa na say NDC na ye de an say call there. And na me bisa me won say 6 March de ko ye de o.
De ko ye de. Okay.
Ko ye de o.
Okay.
What you say?
Yes.
Enti ade bi an ka mekra me we say ewura mo akọ hene. Oh yes I dwumadi. Na nka me hu an say mama part. Ye ho ye ne mpesua so. So on the
yes.
MP. Nanko what CS no so akoye donation heavy. Both
okay.
Passa.
Okay.
Ani gie ni ade na beba no yankobo NDC din
kra. Yankobo yes.
What the mention no?
Yes.
And that's opinia. Papa na dwumade na wo ye no. What the agency no wo ya atwe wo nyina ho. Ana ya yem fa adwen ko.
Eno ne asem no.
Titi na ne ye campaign a cho boy no bi agisu ye. What imagine?
Atwam.
They says yeah rally pa near MPP for see Beshia, the pay bit me share it me no 10,000 meboa. But who be life? Nani pay or nani pa be say 8k and 10k. Abranja na omo follow no.
Omo follow no pa.
Obi a hwe ni pa ye hwe no. Nyeso obi support no. Enti ade ne yeso yemfa other way round.
Yemfa build the party no.
Yeso yemfa so enya youth no. Because me kind of crutchel. Neo Rory is fair to Okoku no sa crowd wa hu won onim Rory is obo obi tuo.
There be.
What would be jero?
There be.
Neo on the onim say no social media no so ye ne vibe ne ma wo so.
Na onya support wo ho.
Onya support wo. Ja crowd na ono ne ohunu ye no. Enti yeso yemfa kwan foforo bi so a ebetimi a motivating crowd no. You say wo hwe a ngran ho na de o go school. Yeah, MPP for any do o call free education.
Okay.
Na almost so niama bi ewo wo mu potentials bi ewo wo mu no. Omo da na di na papa na ma omo da na di. Enti akra na wo say common kra no moral support.
Na momo mu hu say ye kra na de mu go school.
Omo ye product.
Ne, mo ye product ye na de mu go school.
It be there in fact me motivation me ye na sa adwuna me nya ye no ma hwe politics.
I see.
Na nti be ko baby na say wo dey fa say bosontwe a me free bay. MPP ya ye kwan na de akosi abija nkwanta.
Okay.
Enti upa na NDC for mra na kwan no meto aso. Me do nya me memmo mo support am mo ye kwan na my papa.
Because empum to now pay.
O ye kwan ni wi a na okwa wo de kwan na be kwa na.
There be.
Me madwe no.
Yes.
In politics, nya de bia na wo be share ntable space o.
Because politics there the prayer the abafie, the pre-development. I see.
Study NDC for. NDC for some people wa ba mu a omo de amu ya answer omo gi achiye we omo timi nye we omo timi nye
omo demo
na omo de ya bo si de mi kan
ya okay
na stronghold Ashanti region ho
okay
ni e ja ni si university ni e ya kwan wo voter region
wa because omo demo
politics ye nsuan they only there MPP na MPP ye gidi
Chama politics no what ase pe de waka sisi ya o ma hu say what politics ase yes
and MPP for so there yes there ye no say you who NDC for they become as something like your enemy so hatred ti my man wo mu kra na we no wo mu
kasa fi ni kasa twinko na mo ka de fa wo
si jezi no kra wo mu wi a wo say be ye wura chama koka ade a wo ye edru branda won so aso life na kra no so ti o sori anu wo kwa sori no me sabi na mpese be
ba koka ba ko no ya say chama koka din o
ba joda be koka ba ko de ke na di kan ba me de na be kan e si de na
but me tell say ono ni koka no oye de ase o de no ho kwa pia koka do
ya wa kra koka o kubasi koka
ami ba Dr. Tifo atnase loga mache if you are fine there pacho also bibi na man I green am be bibi are fine baby you free so way and if JD am sika bush but nidi na do but no kwasem sika bush o
Yeah.
Sika de o bush pa. Yeah.
Sika de bush a don't mean Canada.
Yes.
Esa some politics kakra ma be experience a chairman share or one maybe have I think that you are
okay.
You go na share issue. Na ka me hu say ya man yo some Ghana so bit we assist that kind of share abrane. This is what we stage with the chairman.
This is when you sika na say ukuta certificate akese.
Yes, certificate akese this is all financial matters.
Okay. Okay.
You don't depend on Obi. Chairman MPP we go NDC go.
Oh, any chairman. Obeka chiro say sika bush. On to man ni.
Ultimate no more fight system no be brain. Yes say omu hu no kra no. The chairman can yes omu ni mu. Now so we need to anya say just the will defend the party.
Okay.
Man then yet san no man. Na yen ka say wo mo na say mo na ko am.
I see.
Yeah, ya kura wo mo say omo mo di say adwuma so nye kokrafo.
Emrantie. Anke wozo omo nso te emabru na omo ba no. Kwan ya ebe fa so atwetwe omo ne kwan ne omo bedi nkoma mate policies na.
Uti omo na uti ah. We dey this you know Asopa MP former MP. I catch you so Ghana youth in the city. Oh, because that's more okay. He said the whole year to say, I dare the person of politicizing.
No, they are done the politics.
Or the year game, no man here. If I answer them, you have a personal idea, personal. Meaning say GTV. I media, the station of the nation. Almost our research department, anything there. They do two about TV film on it has to be genuine. Their guns are not for hire. GTV, the message, because someone tells us their guns they are not for hire. And like I said, the highest bidder. The reason why they come in, I said, means one documentary there by say, the original of the no person much less say, you go and like free. They will be free. Maybe I'm the comments, I'm the feelings, your no maybe or what? Your no maybe or what? We don't joke with it.
Okay.
Your no maybe or how we don't joke with it. You find yet, will be personal vindicta, will be personal parochial interest to be or no, or so when you to me be allowing you when you be your person or no, they be pushing an agenda.
Okay.
Kente, and yet a kete, and a free. If you be na bedru ha say say agidi say you know Isaac Newton ko gina aduase e na fruit ne teye e na ogina so the postulate the you know laws of gravity e na Archimedes so density ono so or that tab mo nsuo na ebugu ye no otime the postulate density e de measure e no de broni kan e de agidi na ye be ka cho se nipa mienu sore ko afum no mu hunu za nanse enwene ntentan no mo hwe so ba nwene kente dia I
see, Mate.
GTV ne catch room, so more be a show matching no more year, you know, those tribal no man no more person more dear year. Now we will not sit down and look for them to do whatever they want.
Doctor, may I say, my chassis enough here, the minority actually will say more a move for decisive 2028 majority. Meaning, Jamai, move to me and majority 2028 today, NBP. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah, you ready.
Now, the end of the year, I'm ready. I'm between me and decisive, you know.
Ebenezer, Ubisa, the questions is here. On the my pebble, I can imagine.
Yes.
Sunday, dear politics. I drew Tama, I was saying in a care on boom. On the a decision, I take care at least. It should be a collective decision.
Okay.
We are the night dream, but now you can't want to say, but young Faha, young Kwaha, you see. And a two, so party be a mobile opposition, and I want to become who boom ye.
No question.
A year, you say, oh, power was so then there can be brave. I want to. It's also then I TSC and DC for so. That's why I did. What can be our moon tea? the people na to on inflation ho asema na omo ka o $30 so $30 so enti dia na abeka o beti e kom di yen ye to aduane ayemme o ka kire di si ni obeka jo se o $30 so ba mi so ametie e bi kra ba bosumi ni ana bosumi no dollar mani hu bi da minim ye dollar kra ni so fa so
okay
minim dollar so fa so because me aduane me to me fa dollar na eto
o the city
yes me the city
aduane ne bo aba for man na
ye na wo de man kan board e ba no me the city na eto enti me fa dollar no be de money man kakra kakra bia ye nuan ko fa ba no dollar no se nke ya tisu nanka aja abai no so on fa dollar rate na what so de aba no ki yi card ni ade on fa sa rate na en fa mine en fa yi me won so what so
okay
why won me say
yes
because we go bank a de bia me ka me say dollar ni de o ye there a abochi owns the dollar how would be tell who nya say sika da wo mo ka no bank no ntoda this is still a ko abochi o because me my co bank a be per dollar da ama bank man yare ga je twa kakra mfra abochi na o menye price bo wa bra ono aso a price no bo it be nua e ma ye na da e ho but be the American say ye wo position ni de ye te ho ase say on say aye primaries yeah no send na NDC fo nim se besi no menua the whole Ghana sure me baby a wo te say ya battle we boni bi si o ye wura kodu anom ne a mpanyimfo asebe omo hwe abattle no so omo abo adwuma me da wo mase asumdua aba ye frag bearer fe ye wura mamudu ba o bia se ye wie de o NDC fo de no beba
okay
na NDC fo de no de masa ko peti ne me besi wo mo a we say oh was here to get here also kasa o do aye research o de afade mi show
yes
wadi ka twa microphobity na wo mu huni steady ade bi on say otuko no no mo a mo ka koku asem pa no on say o mo ano head ade wo mo head e ekotu koku na no enti koku no ba afom a ye ti so akuafo osu o mo ano mo asa shele atade no o mo head starch e no nam koku ofu e no mo defend na wa kadokre obi begira wadi so ka kire o say 30 where 3,600 yet so the about 2,500 is better than 3,600 I'm on go school grabbing into mathematics way ube catch me at the end of my catch sabi o say ube to make we actually will be a level headed kind of now 36 was about 25 and a papa
2587
with a kind of enti be the America they say MPP you are minority ni okai no
and okay
mighty
ni nyina e boa mo
wo de hwe adwuma omo ye me je omo de
okay
ana two ya ba fie no e die enti ne ma hwe gu ye
okay
on se ne ma wo hihye na wo kwa afu ma na ne che se dipa kra wo nam na wo hwe ase a wo sesa wo nante wo ne ma hwe gu a wo hu hihye because wo sa hihye ne fun bi a e be se hwe agu enti ne de ne ma atoto akwa mu enti me de se miwura e ka kire me se ye benya majority a begitu because me say me tiwe minim sa wo ma ho de na so me ne ma kra me de agu akwa mu a minim sese me ba begi cha ma oboso twa o se me de ne ma agu akwa mu ma nipa ehun se ampa o se nya more vote
okay
sa na minim se minua binum so be ya ma ye nya more seat eti seat ne de NDC fo nim se bebre na atro na o mu twato MPP so na no se MPP fo de so no o mu twato ye so wie o mu keka ye ho nsem no NDC fo no bi ehu o mu to awie because so utmi ka se o di koko be cost 6,500 now ba na fe ye di akọ 3,001 now de aba 2,500 obi ehu usu ne obobre ana mebo and no at the same time no said the almost kan ya almost Puarugu dam ye Chiesika ama yewra Mahmudu Baomia on fanko ye the crew ye dam no anko ye no more so TikTok live no be a sino so ni nyina mo kai no and ne wo mo nane na nsa o mo energy minister aka se Puarugu ya ma obi esika
Ochireze omuchiama aye contractor nembom odiskana na dikofa baby wa ma medi twuma no.
Na me da me Martin 24 na onzo ka energy minister. Martin be there. Ba o mi ana om de ndin beta onzo waji ska di no.
Na say entisa.
Ya yi na film say entisa de. Anamboa.
Mate, doctor.
Ho ne hia me.
NPP say ye ba omo be majority seat.
I said the wapetu adano ni nya ne den. Nipa no
na hanom no hwan na petu ada
say MPP for ade o ma petu ada nti wunya no mo kra say de o ma yi koi enam kwan train ne so a o mbeka se da bi because ade ba ko a driver ha ye de to aba ai obia ye hwe eso eye wasetenum aside say ye wo political party I know na the vehicle the assure various candidates near do mo elections na uri ni no se party no be ya kono amafo be nya gidi o party ni na ama ato candidate ni so a asetenam ye di tumi ni ma wo de na wo de ye yinya akwanya se be so mo man Ghana na de na wo ye eno na ye hwe o ena we so no we no che se the MPP ye no eye fresh wo ya adwene mu Ghana fo nyina ye fresh e wo ya adwene mu te say ai anopa akoma no oh te say do mo ye Ghana na every year trimo eni say na omo say nya hode kra say ka say omo say be nya parliamentary majority from omo 80 no ma be nya say ensi ye de Ghana ma wo fie nwotwe amamu papa be na adebu ye e de na Ghana fo nya free eno na be ma say wo ka we a obi be ka ba MDC so ye ba ye Ghana fo nya ye mu gidie no to aba ma ye be nya kwan se ye mesom ye magana e kwan be na de Ghana nam so tu ba wo hwe ba bia ye be fa Ghana free na hwe ba bia ye de Ghana edu na hwe projections baby ye de Ghana ekwa enti the MPP for kan ye no mo ka se omo be nya parliamentary majority no hwe e be fa fa me kro mu dim so number 1 wo free okọ dim so number 1 na e kọ mankran so ekwan no so ekwan no asai efimfiri asai e de kọ fa mopa eni mo na asai obi onim nam sa sunwa ne kwan no so bia nim se sa kwan asai MPP di omo sakọ kekan o ma anye na NDC aba disi e contractor kwan no so oye ndisi MP na oho no okwakutu no
contractor no visual
contractor kwan no so wa ba kwan no so
oba da we
oba was it last
me kwan me fa so
oba so bia oba so last week you met me actually last 2 weeks or so last 2 weeks and Kwashante regional minister kwa na confirm me my so wa ba kwan no so a oye
okay
it is a kwan no so oye area e de na bema wo na wo ha wo time ya anye mfuturo aboyin sa no wo de na bema na ato aba na ma yen hwe the general you know and then nipa ewie secondary school no so wo ko university education sector no wo ko university and wo ko any of the tertiary institutions admission fee a wo de be ko nya asem ketwa nti me nipa no bebre etena fee enne yi no se nipa no ko bobosia kra na okutua odim se okọ acha ye bosome ba ko bosome mienu ye de nisika sa we ma no
ba nkoda no muntua o munyina siga ma o
no fees so when your data na
ma muntua ni nyina minima bibia from ha ehia ha ya ka kire me se ono ne ba yintua ma no de bia busa
na eno sa no yese obusa oba no yese obusa oba no wonim se nkra no bebre me this year me amenwa ketwa me na metua ne fees
yes
or how na or have a challenge with registration no or person or log on to the portal and I was etimu ade ya bia ma mo na wo me kan kire me no
okay
or see the enti on kan kire me say nke bank or person de ko laptop
aha and it could be say bia nkoda na bia jiska no mo nka
and not that's what I'm saying
okay
it is you know about time wo for na to na say oba no be ka kire o say
ne nsankan
ya hwehwemu ye ebi wo ha ne nsaka
but
so ka say aban famaya e dey na be
I see
aban famaya dey na be enso omo ko mo saka ye ba ye hwe you know free SHS no omo ni direct source of you know funding the ye free see better adwa so Ghana for my akonya say mesom ye my Ghana kan no kre da be na wo say say adwane a short to secondary school
okay
that be now tea. Oh, and then because government buy our more direct source of funding is a get fund the be provide this kind of. Now for your own copy get fund it is can be about get fund the you be fan ko baby ano. And then what is this eduania short to school bi mu. That be e kwa na kwa no mu didi kama. Your had na prempe for na you mbe you say kwa no mu didi. Abna rice. Omu ni to jimi.
Abna rice no ni dey.
Wouldn't you have rice? Hey, now we are all global.
Abna rice.
Wouldn't you have rice?
Okay. Mona very abna no. Okay, yes.
Why you know where you found? Why you have to see my move from?
Abna rice.
And now abna rice. Umpire so mudi and more
papa. Okay.
Omo video do omo kan onya me na make do omo kan no.
Okay.
Ye mra ne me hwe people with disability. Education one na me wono. Me wi amekọ sectors me call sector by sector. Say na be ye fa bi so. People with disability. No person go school. What did them on and I said where what did them on ni pedian who baby. No person go school. I buy the abase free. Onko. Ye mra health. Ye nyina ne okruma say. Wo bi our health center bi abeka kire. Insurance claims. See a bit to Yama and MPP. When yan for crying 6 months. And ne quarter bien what where institution bien of it may Abakacha say I bind the car. All claims have been paid. Insurance. Yes, I had the Mahama care crab air non-communicable diseases. This are there when you pilot to one or who's our benefits way you know. A bad day and all support a minor. A bad day I OMP
Dr. Mamimfa we inform about a man crasso coin or so. Reporter about producer about Wusu or Chirum say currently contractor no also a big postal. So be possible so to confirm my but say me fast Sunday not can be any so
I saw report and I reported say oh
let's clarify
because platform this me better na me try and
so let's clarify
me integrity na me dey at stake then next time better na me can say be I will be engine it me better na me try and say the MPP for be yan can say that ye can no credit say net na say ye can no credit na one pa and they know you
now I say don't get here say you are not going to fail Ashanti region dey na mo ba be ye e Ashanti region dia somebody in the failure because see how they me dey nya hu hwe
ye nwa me nwa the woman say yes say the ware koto da no so be we kora ye nyina chi dey na NDC e betimi de ne say sisi so say ye to abama na ana wonya kwanya so omesom Ghana Asante ye nya free.
Okay.
In this time normally be or had ye betimi de say sisi so e no na be kire o say the general e ka no e no kore ye ba ye nyina ye okroma se o ye kumasi ni nko a we ye Ghana ni o ba kumasi be didwa utemu free western u free bono u free ahafo u free bono east e ba kroma u free tamale e be fa no ma okroma se a kejetia net say kejetia net say ateche ensuo to a ye ma me ne papa no omutim ewie ebo a omutim ma his excellency John Dramani Mahama and the Bay Kejitia, and I craft to the Kejitia Dubai. And next, say, we are both in show too, or how. Okay. Kwaswasa market. Maybe qua a year Swasi me. Me junior, secondary, me Kwaswasi junior high. I want to be called. Now, as was a bro a bro market, a besin, a anomoton or hawkers. They done a good bro name besin for one. And the cohe. Abrosaya market ayesi wono edi hwe sa no ma we kwato nsu ko he market yesi wono ko he Nsewia hospital ye sha ase aban betna so 80 MPP buy o ma nwie ba bi jaisi wona hwa no mu jai to Nsewia aferi military hospital we he Gan Ashanti region population density now to compare your health facility institutions I wo kroma se a utum sa grobi na yedi na so NDC aban betmi pinpointed kumewu ye sha se formina ye sha se all these facilities it is our hesa to human we no normal mampon ko he nsuo na nsuo ho den obi wa tena mampon ni kumewu bia be di adanse ye bia homa no tum kumewu nsuo ho den his excellency John Dramani Mahama time na ko ye nsuo e ho no it is say o hesa normal ya mebobo susu nyina na se NDC eye and no cry no baka say na e satam na MP say na Ashanti region the NDC ni akwa edima ye 3 na ne ye nya 7 na enne parliament in presidential vote send na nya and they twemu 500,000. Ashanti region is the second highest in the center regional NDC nya vote especially voter especially all the other regions NDC workers be NDC strong with Ashanti region voter we nya especially omunyina na se satma ni nya sample no ye sample ntudwuma we ewo ha na ne ya Asante achira odo kese sei enye ye mugidie se ampa se NDC omo boa ma Asante kwaso nti enne ye 2024 election is ye ko ya hwe vote increase eti be ye den na sen mo nyam mugidie Asante nya wo NDC mo ye beto na ase
atiano okay
tabi nti bibia ye bia na ye momo se de ye nka ni mpo no ni ehu ni se mo no ye mpo no de mu ye ma ye ma mo ni na ma kire odo oh me si e be wie 4 years no ye be wie 4 years no eja me na me kan
mo be chimpe
ye empuntu juma ye de be ma ye de be ba kroma
no region nti mo be chimpe
ye de ba kroma no eno na be ma amanfo adwane afiri kroma se
ai jamai enkomo ebobo ba no nti yo mo kire mu se wo mo di development ahodo de ba because say na seat o mo wo no na nya ahebia se o mo abenya 7 na o mo ko mo anim mo di development no ba MPP mo stance the same mo mo hu so
sir ube si dai near my plot na anka wo so na akotwitwa anka na gu a se won si dai
there be
ana wa si dai
there be
nti wa unu no ho na wo sre na me be developer I say do get development there is massive bebre kwa ya omukra ombeso sa dai no so omutimi maza 113 na e dey ale 113 dey
juma
juma mewa na abaso ara juma 24
omuguso
dabe
omuguso
Sompa hara minia se NDC die o de no to MPP ho se infrastructure ne se projects dia nka omo me baby a mo omo kra omo kakra huri nsa
okay
on a major no because omo nim minia ye nka ne bebre on so wo ka wo se na nsane ne omo de contractor abakwa no so ye amanfuturo ba na ne ye afise kwan no omfaso bi nti wonim kwan no mu asem se ofaso bi a ka obehu se ampa saa ho kakra saa stretch na asem na ho kan hwan no de ma contract na hwan no na na ye contractor o ye kwan no NDC for ba no de ma contractor na ze MPP na de ma contractor no mo ye saa be poso ho kakra na de komankra so nso mo so onim adujama de nti adujama onka adujama asem enti sei so onka potri kroma asem mi ntie onfa fa man ne ho anwa onka wase ba gosi ahrom junction onka wase mi ntie wan na na ye kwan no na hwan de ye ya na ye nye uko kakwa asem kra de nka MPP de men mo ye din kra nka asem because yen de obi anim se ekwan de NDC chese untim fa no tutu ye ba bia kra nti kakwan de wuduru kwan asem kra de men ka se ya man futuro bo obi ne wanwan are ukrom ne na minchiro ukrom ba bia wo se ye ba ye project ye kwa wo wa Ashanti region minim ba bia ekwan asem pa de ye bebre untim fa NDC tutu MPP projects ayaye fa ekwan pa de na okoka education so asema ho no wonyina ho na membisa no question nti momo se mobile no mamma nkra no ko university free nyesa my idea aboy se mama so bi na do o ko free education na mo so mbe fa o mo se mo do o ko ba mo first exam sa mo ye fi akra bia ma se onya D7 because of scholarship wa mo se mo do ba man nkra dinti ko D7 na e ba dia ai je ultimate ko university ti akra bia nya D7 automatic be se akra bia nya akra do su ofie o be se jabu che dabi da be kamu be ka fa mo dia ase ya gradu twa so buga je se akoto apo na man nkra do
e dey na we menya D7 D7 na we dey menya D7
se basa adena calculation se sia ya me na wo ka sei nkura no D7 a wɔn atwa no this year wɔde fɛ results bɛba they say de obi abɛnya 33 22 D7 no
wo bo mu dua
me mo mu dua NDC for no NDC for na hyehyɛ sɛ akura de twa wɔde no bɛkɔ university first year wɔn bɛtua enti wɔn ni ska wo results nya ɛbɛda de wakɔ
chama we wote no we
me na me ka kyerɛ sɛ me da binim wɔn hyehyɛ yɛ na me ka bi akyerɛ me na wɔn na me ni wɔn wo me mo nkura de dua o na wo de wɛ ne wɔn ahyehyɛ
sɛ obetua university
first year for ni tiro ya
nti wɔn mo ntwa
me se
na sɛ chama sɛ basa na sobo no yɛde bɛbɔ ɔmo an sɛ ɔmo na ama education sector na ayɛ poor
nti na education sector de ɔwɔ ayɛ ne poor te sɛ a ɔdwa n'anum yi a ɔkasa sɛbi doctor ha n'ani ana education ayɛ ɛsɛ mo ɔka nyina so ɔno anim sɛ ɔboa sɛ ɔmo ba ɔmo sɛ licentiate exam sɛ ɛbɛyɛ dɛ ɔmfa nsɔ so ɔaka sɛ ɔmo bɛtwam
ɔmo sɛ ɔmo de bɛba bɛka school for no nti ɔmo wia na ɔmo akyerɛ
na afei de na I'm so much like sexual exams. I do 2 weeks. Alaba. Hey, and this is more. Just say, one of the no catch you say, Ade we say that may ya. Say, your NDC Nikas or Bemo Adriania, meaning me patcho. So promise you say a bottle for Bemo Adriania, the carpet gary good. Hey, the carpet gary good. The 12 no yas one why I see a sebi good now no to crack. But
chama me fancy.
As a bit of time because I should tell
ya mantem naga was here to me a deep commodity because I carry 5 minutes now your time and so.
I can't afford a better where try kuma or more this
ya bepe da
I said you can jack just obey us at the
Florida says ya bepe da from my collect in some rem na bomo M4 margin share emra 054893191 054893191
Obaja di say NDC 4 day Sevilla Hospital here politics say Sevilla Hospital as I'm speaking today akromfo akofan fidie wo ho nyina na air condition wo ntimi mo zo nkyere obi a
sir
last two
eba be di ho enkomo minim e bi aba so 054893191 0551931931 Obaswa Nafi a phone ya jiwa jinche edi fan koma yedi anopai. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes sir, udi ne ba bia free.
FM kwa kumkasa fi okumawu.
Kwa kuma mitio.
Muhammad Buya pro party to me a police forecast na formal duma. Ai sika ko dia kam. Ya juho ya ntiase, wa fa adwuma so sa di sika. Ebe ya ko ntani sika back in samai. Dear man for them, but to the 28 Omuya.
Good morning. Hello. I am Zena's idea network and how you know good morning. Hello. Okay. I think it's a bread cry here and it's a so my baby in Chimnafi. You see from network no I'm saying and say hi we have difficulty in that okay we are to me about good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
How to say
Yami Adum now swear.
Hello.
Yes, we didn't be afraid free.
Yo, kasi western no sabi also. Mama Juma pa Yami Shramu. I'm say NDC for I'm also.
Me ba cho me also Jomo kasa fidie na me anu nti na wo start me nka ho.
Okay. NDC for omo ayo omo ho service na ka fe de kan da bia. Oju omo animu ayi udu omo chie because on better radio so a won wa kan ya ye we service will be ya better anymore. On my phone and the council say mo ya better. Mo de sana mo de Ghana so good. If you say mo ni money die no entimi nso Ghana so na ye fa so. Akwaya what you are working as a sanction butu no de pan and our Bank of Ghana. One who better know how work say Kenya me buofa and you bit my no won ka we mu na ma ye hu say e policy nja and amudi bu o man no see a dollar ya ye kan wa ye nya hu fa so ye o Ghana ha ye nya hu fa so bia because we are confirmed, we send you to no, Sana, and it was war. Never border, try, make me talk, or not to me turn it, and about it. Then I acquire, what I must say, the alcohol. You didn't find them, and so against what you didn't time. As a former war, more I understand, or to move for my away.
Mate, thank you very much. Good morning. Okay, network can end yet. Mammy, babe, this no nothing. The NC from a Hodom tea. A babe, this now you really MC out here. Uncle, happy birthday to you, Francisca Fusia. Your friends can be the real stars in your life, but the real star is yourself. So this is your birthday now, or celebrate it, and then may the rest of it any beautiful as your prayers. Happy birthday, Francisca Fusia. And happy birthday to Reverend Father Bernard Bak Tita Wusu Kwatin, parish priest at the Maboshain Amwabami Catholic Church. From all our members, Kosra, our Bushan and Pa Bimi, Bushan and Pa Bim Catholic Church, Omozi, Oma Wadapa, Omosi, Omani Jesse, we are Mokandini, Ayo Mosofo, Name Mao Adome, Humun Yansa to me, Eddie Adio Mos Animsa. Happy birthday, Reverend Father Bernard B.O. Quartin. Happy birthday also goes to you, Prince Agri. Jumfo Dodwana Afro Bomb from Pokia of Voria TV. Pokia Semen Control say Yamenyo Kase or Ontina Nimuncho na on Domo no ma was steps, and your steps a BCC and Yama Paso na Eddie and Nimonyam say Eddie Abao. Happy birthday, Bomb. And happy birthday also goes to you, Melissa Adomako of Manfrum. Wefri Regina Brago of Asante Agona Akrofonso ena ode mau o se nyamin shraw nyamin ton super enu wodaya so nyina so ne wanamotu nyina so nafi onyo kese. Okay, so happy birthday also goes to you, Odeneho Kofi Apia Enin. We a politician, businessman and philanthropist. Wefri work say nyame enyo kese. Waka say young country was say there be our bompire no kai won paibomu no catch young coupon say Oma wa namo wutu nyina ensiye na emma wonye kese na yedi so anywhere cheaper anti we free work. Happy birthday to you, or Deno Kofi Apia. And then happy birthday also to you, Ohima Akye Abia Frempong. We free o papa manager Adade Hodom. Or see and can't say you be a penny power or which the obey be in this life, physically, financially, spiritually, so obebo chidom. It's yini nabra be penny pa. Okay, so happy birthday also goes to you, Sharifa. Daddy's far. We are student. Daddy's favorite. Okay, Daddy's favorite, Sharifa. A student at Kumasi Nursing College, Wefri Williams, Kwame Mesko, Kentampo, Ozian Kanchro say, well, we shall phone in our dough, or also dough party, Yame Israel. And then to you, a glorious birthday to for you are at Tichimai from Systematic Press of Sompa. Hey, okay, this Systematic say and Kanchro say, may you grow, glow, and then be lifted higher. Na the light of Nyankopon and tall so Danny day, so happy birthday to you. On that note, I was honored to have a Sikau Bush Sana Dodona a friend, chairman hopeful for Bosomche, and I feel so Dr. Tufonso Evidiatnas from the side of the NDC, EDD and Komo and Opay. I may assure say Bemwa ama bosom twi bepe bre ne ye de ahia mo na fe ye didi nkomo ya hwe ya hwe se de de ma
yes and as a bisi pesa bobo and
so thank you very much for being a part of the show by way of ear, voice and SMS. Barbara directed show no MCR Kelvin Genesis woman so boyen otin kontabisa and come din de Kwame Agyarko mi jemu ama sports for no na omode the world of sports na exclusive no e de ababeto